Hello, I am Prajakta Gavai. Let's start. Economic importance of birds. Injurious bird. Pest of honeybees. Honey guides are dingy little bird allied to woodpecker. Found cheaply in Africa. They feed on grubs of bees and wasps. When the bird finds a hive, it guides a badger to it. The badger, confident in sting-proof hide and coat of coarse hair, breaks it open and eat the honey, while the bird feed on luckless grubs, which are tumbled pell-mell into the open. Sometimes a man notices the bird animal procession and join it and take his share of honey.